What's up, friend media friends? I hope you're all doing very good today. In today's tutorial, I want to show you all a very popular feature that is ultimately used for the ticker section of playlist, and that is the text feature. So to access the text feature, you simply hit this plus button right here, find this little T icon, and click on it. And then we'll enter the title for this text section. So we'll go with information, select our font. I prefer Varela Round. Select our color scheme over here, and for this last one, and then we'll type in the information that we want displayed on our ticker. For more information, visit us at, then we'll paste the URL for our web. We can hit done, and then if you have a playlist with a template, such as the one portrayed here that has a ticker on the bottom, you just simply drag and drop that into that designated section. So we'll do that. We'll select the duration. We'll leave it at 1 minute. Then we'll hit save, and then it should show up under the Z2 tab. There it is. So this ticker is similar to the one you can see in pretty much any newscast. It just runs along the bottom. So this is ultimately very, very useful for purposes such as the one shown here for more informational purposes or for promotional purposes, or you can use it to welcome individuals to your practice. So it pretty much depends on what you want displayed and what information you want your patient to see or be educated upon. So that pretty much concludes this tutorial, ladies and gentlemen. As always, thank you all for watching.